Okay. Good afternoon, all.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So, all are ready with the textbook?
Good afternoon.
So, all of you, please take a textbook, crayons, and pencil. Okay, we are going to do the exercise which is in the textbook related to pattern chapter. And those who have the textbook, take page number 23. Ma'am is going to share the screen now. Okay, you can see the page number 23 on the screen. We are doing the exercise which is in page number 23. You can see the page in front of you. We are continuing the same page number today also. And those who don't have, write in the rough book. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you can see the page also. Hadia, Fatima, switch on the video. Take page number 23. Okay. So this is the page number we are going to do now. Okay. So all are ready with the textbook, page number 23?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Elvin, please unmute. Elvin, please unmute. Elvin, Mario, please unmute.
Alvin, please unmute. Alvin,
Now we
please
are
unmute.
going to do the first A. Okay, observe and complete these patterns. In that first one, A. Okay, Elvin, read the pattern. First one, A. Read the pattern.
Circle.
Ah.
Circle.
Ah.
Square.
So what will be next?
Circle.
We have to draw circle.
Square.
Then we have to draw square. Again we have to draw which figure? Circle. And after drawing with the pencil, we have to give color also. So for the circle, which color we will give?
Color.
Which color we will give to the circle?
Brown.
We have to give the brown color. And what about the square? Pink color. Okay, very good, very good. You all do it. Do it in the textbook. Okay, do it in the textbook. And for the square, we have to give pink color.
I'm finished.
Okay, let others complete.
Brown.
And again we have circle, and circle have the color of brown.
I'm finished.
Okay then. Hala, please unmute. Hala, unmute. And read the next one. Read the next pattern.
Ice cream gone.
It's not, okay. Triangle, upside down triangle, okay? Upside down triangle, read it. Then?
Rectangle.
Yes, continue. Continue.
Cone.
Upside down triangle, again we have rectangle. Okay, what we have to do next? Which figure we have to draw next?
Rectangle.
Is it a rectangle or triangle? We have to draw upside down triangle. See, upside down triangle, then rectangle, upside down triangle, rectangle. Again, we have to draw upside down triangle. Then we will draw rectangle, then upside down triangle. So the triangle, which color we will give? We have to give which color for the upside down triangle? Which color? We have to give the blue color. And for the rectangle, we have to give
rectangle പറ.
Pink.
Dark yellow.
rectangle. Which color?
Dark yellow.
Is it a dark yellow or orange color?
Orange.
Okay. And again, we have one more upside down triangle. So for that also, we have to give
Blue.
blue color. Okay. Sai Krishna, unmute. Sai
Yes,
Krishna,
ma'am.
unmute. And read the next pattern. Read the next square.
Square and
See, others be quiet. Sai Krishna, read it.
shape ആദ്യം പറ. ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിളിന് ശേഷം എന്താണ്?
Rectangle.
Then next one.
Square.
The next one.
Triangle.
So we have square, triangle, rectangle. Again, it is repeating. Square, triangle. So what will be the next figure, Sai Krishna? Square, triangle, rectangle. Square, triangle. We have to draw here rectangle.
Rectangle.
And what about the next one? It is repeating again. So we have to do the next one.
Square.
Square. Very good. Then the next one.
Rectangle.
And
Triangle.
triangle. We have to draw triangle. Okay, very good. And for the rectangle, which color we have to give for rectangle?
rectangle എന്താണ് കളർ? കളർ
Yellow.
Rectangle, which color, Sai Krishna?
Green.
We have to give green color. Okay, what about square?
Red.
Very good, red color. And triangle, we have to give
Yellow.
yellow. Very good. Do it. Sai Krishna, you do it. Okay.
yes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to give square red color. And we have triangle having yellow color. Hadia Fatima, unmute. Hadia Fatima, unmute.
Yes,
And read the next one. Read the next.
Triangle. Square.
It's repeating.
Triangle. Square.
Then what will be next?
Triangle.
Next one.
Triangle.
Then what about next one?
Square.
Very good. And for the first triangle, which color we have to give? Which color we have to give for the first one?
Blue.
Blue color. Then what about the next triangle?
Brown.
Brown. What about the square?
Green.
Very good. Okay, you do it. Okay, good. And for the square we have green color. In the square we have green color. Can we move to the next one? Can we move to the next one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So next we have continue the pattern by coloring the correct boxes. Okay. Look at the number pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 30 is there. Okay. And we have 1 and 2 is not colored. 3 is colored. Okay. 3 is colored. Then 4, 5 is not there. We have 6. 7, 8 not there. 9. 10, 11 no. 12. 13, 14 no. 15. 16, 17 no. 18. So what will be the next one?
നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഏതാണ്?
19 is not there. What's the next number?
21.
So which color we have to give to 21?
You want 21 now?
Pink color. Or color to 21. Pink color. How to avoid 2 numbers. Okay?
Next
And
one,
we have to
next
give the next. We have to give the next number. What's the next number of 21? After 21, we have to give to the next number the pink color. Which color? Which number? 22, 23 is not there. What's the next number?
നമ്പർ
24.
We have to give 24. Okay, very good. Then after 24, we have to avoid 25 and 26. Okay?
27.
Pink color to which color?
27.
27. Then we have to avoid the next 2 numbers, 28 and 29. So what's the next number?
30.
We have to
0.
number
0.
പറ
30.
30, 30. 30, 30. So all of you give the pink color to these numbers. Okay, it's a 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30.
മനസ്സിലായോ?
See, we have to avoid 2 numbers and the next number. See, 1, 2, it's not there. Then we have 3. 4, 5 is not there. Then we have 6. 7, 8 is not there. Then we have 9. 10, 11 is not there. 12. 13, 14 is not there. 15. 16, 17 is not there. 18. 19, 20 is not there. 21. 22, 23 is not there. 24. 25, 26 is not there. 27. 28, 29 is not there. 30. We have to look at the pattern carefully. Then only we can give the color. Okay? The exercise in the textbook. Okay? And we have to do one activity that I will give you after the exam. Monday you have English grammar, no? So Wednesday I will give activity for second chapter. Okay? Then we will move to the workbook. Okay? So all are ready with the workbook? All are ready with the workbook part 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Take a workbook part 1. Take a workbook part 1. Okay? Workbook part 1. And take the page number 6. Take the page number 6. Workbook part 1. Take page number 6. Page number 6.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which page?
Page number 6. The same page I show on the screen also. Workbook part 1, page number 6. Did you see the page number 6?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The shape of a
Okay then. Shall we move to the page number 6? Can we start the questions? Okay now. Krishnag, unmute. Krishnag, unmute. Okay? And we have the first question. It's a multiple choice questions and we have the options also. Okay? Krishnag, read it. The SHAP. What is that? SHAPE. What is the word?
Shape.
Ah, very good. The shape of a,
Shape.
what's the picture? The shape of a,
Cap.
the shape of a birthday cap is a dash. And the options are cuboid, cone, cube, sphere. What is the shape of a birthday cap?
Fine.
Cone. Very good. Okay. And what is the option here? Which is the correct option? A or B or C or D?
B.
So we have to write the letter B in the bracket. Okay? So please write the letter B in the bracket and put tick mark for 4. Okay? Very good. So we have the option, correct option B. So write the letter B in the bracket and put tick mark for B option. Jeffrey unmute. Jeffrey unmute and read the next one. Second one. The shape of a 1 rupee coin. The shape of a 1 rupee coin is a dash. And we have the options A, circle, B, cone, C, cuboid, D, sphere. What is the answer?
Circle.
The answer is circle. So what is the option, correct option here?
Circle.
Which option?
A.
A. Write the letter A here and put a tick mark for A option. Sankalp, unmute. Sankalp, unmute. Okay? And we have the third question. Okay? Read it. Read the question. The SHAPE. What is that?
Shape.
Very good. The shape of a box. You can see one box-like structure. Okay? The shape of a box is a dash. The options are cuboid, cone, circle. What's the option? Correct option? Cuboid. Very good. So what is the correct option? Which letter?
A.
A. So we can write the letter A here and we can put a tick mark for A option. Very good, Sangal. Good. So we have third correct answer is A, cuboid. Shall we move to the next question?
yes.
Yes.
Okay, so from 4, 5, 6, we have complete the given pattern. Okay, we have complete the given pattern. Look at the pattern carefully, then only we can understand what is the correct option. Okay, so we have Lakshana. See the fourth question, unmute answer. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fourth question, read it. We have
We have
uh,
4.
what's the color?
C.
We have a green color.
ESTIONS.
4 questions, 4 to 6, T-O-L-E-T. What is that? Complete. T-H-E. The. G-I-V-E-N. Given. What's the next
Given
one?
picture.
What's the next one? Patterns. 4 questions, 4 to 6. That is 4, 5, 6. Complete the given patterns. And we have the 4th question. Okay? We have the 4th question having one green color. What is that? Bow, something like that. Okay? So green color. Then we have a purple color, green color, purple color, green color, purple color. So what will come next?
Green color.
Green color will come. And see the options. Next page. A, 2 green colors are there. B, 2 purple colors are there. C, 1 green color and purple color. D, 1 purple color and green color. So which is the correct option?
Number.
Option
Option C.
C. Here we have green color, purple color, green color, purple color, green color, purple color. So next should come green color. So we have 2 green colors are coming in the first, in A and C. But A having 2 same color. So that will not come as an answer. So we have the option C is the correct answer. Okay. So we can write the letter C inside the bracket. Okay. Write the letter C inside the bracket. And we can put a C as an option, correct option.
Ma'am, right.
No need to write, just put a tick mark, okay? And write C letter in the brackets. You can write A letter in the bracket, C letter in the bracket, and you can put a tick mark for C option. Nomika, can you hear properly? Many are there behind of you. What are they doing? Can you listen, ma'am? Nomika? Unmute the device and unmute the device, Nomika, and read the next pattern, okay? And say to others to keep quiet. Are they disturbing you?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, now read the next one. We have the 5th one. Okay, here we have the 5th one. Read the pattern.
Circle. Triangle.
Is it a triangle?
Rectangle. Rectangle. Circle.
Where are you? You left?
Circle, rectangle.
So what will come next? We have circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So what should come next?
Option D.
What should
Option D.
Okay, listen to ma'am first. We have circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So we should have the next figure, circle. Okay, and in the option A, we have 2 circles. Option B, we have 2 rectangles. Option C, we have rectangle and circle. Option D, we have circle and rectangle. So for option A, there are 2 circles. So that is not the option, correct option. And option B, 2 rectangles. That is also wrong. Option C, we have rectangle and circle. That is also wrong. And option D, we have circle and rectangle. So the correct option is option
D.
C. So we can write the letter D inside the bracket. So we can write the correct option inside the bracket D. Okay, and put a tick mark for D option. And Alna Arun, please unmute. Alna Arun, please unmute and read the pattern 6. Okay, read it, Alna.
Circle, circle, triangle, triangle,
Ah.
circle, circle,
So what will become next?
triangle.
Ah, now circle, circle, triangle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle, triangle. And the options we have circle, circle, that is not the correct answer. B we have triangle, triangle. C we have triangle, circle. D we have circle, triangle. So the correct option is B. Okay, the correct option is B. So we can write the letter B inside the bracket and we can put a tick mark for B. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. So we can write the letter B inside the bracket and we can put a tick mark for B option. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Esther Biju unmute. Esther Biju unmute and read. We can move to the next one. Fill in the blanks. Okay, and we have the seventh one. Okay, Esther, read it. Read the pattern, Esther. Esther, read it. What is the first figure?
Circle.
Read loudly. Circle.
Triangle.
Yes. You read it. I can hear you. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Okay. And we have a dash. Again we have triangle, rectangle. Again we have circle, triangle, rectangle. So which figure we have to put here? We have to draw here.
Circle.
See here. Circle, triangle, rectangle. It is repeating again. When we look at that pattern, we can see it is repeating again. So we have circle, triangle, rectangle. And what will come here, Esther?
Circle.
So we have to draw here. Color we have to give here. Which color we have to circle? We have to give pink color. So we can draw the circle and we can give the pink color.
സർക്കിൾ വെച്ചിട്ട് പിച്ചായുടെ
Speak in Malayalam. Sorry, you don't speak in Malayalam. Use English, okay? So we have circle, triangle,
നെക്സ്റ്റ്
square,
പറഞ്ഞ slide.
sorry, rectangle. Then we have circle,
triangle,
square, and again it is repeating. Circle,
Next.
triangle, square.
അതവിടെ യെസ് അതിന്റെ കളർ എന്താണ് ഞാൻ പറയേണ്ടത് പൊളിച്ചിട്ടില്ല ഈ സാധനത്തിന്റെ ഇത്രയും പൊളിച്ചാല്
So can we move to the next one? Can we move to the next one? Okay, Evina. Evina, read the pattern. Evina, read the pattern. Evina, read the pattern. Sorry, Ivania Rose. Ivania Rose, read the pattern.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell?
Which one?
Rukma.
Okay, Rukma, read it. Rukma, read.
Square.
Square. Rukma, read. Square, rectangle.
Triangle, circle, square, rectangle.
Read one.
Triangle, square,
Rectangle.
rectangle, triangle, circle, square.
Again is starting. Square,
Square,
rectangle.
rectangle, triangle, circle, square, triangle, rectangle.
See here which figure we have to draw after rectangle?
Triangle.
We have to draw triangle. We have to draw a triangle.
Blue color.
And we have to give blue color. So all of you draw triangle there and give blue color. So we have square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Square, rectangle, triangle. Only here one dash. So we can only draw one triangle. And we have one more like that. Next page, page number 8. Okay, page number 8, only the last one like that. So,
Ma'am, today is my birthday.
Rayan, please unmute Rayan. And read the next one, 9th one.
Ma'am, today is my birthday.
Okay, whose birthday today?
Triangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, triangle. Dash.
Is it a rectangle after triangle? Ah, it's square. Okay, so we have triangle, triangle, square, triangle, triangle, and what's the next one we have to draw here to fill it?
Square. Square.
Square. Okay, we have to draw here square. Okay, good. And which color we have to give to square?
Orange.
Orange. Good. So all of you please draw and give the color orange. And whose birthday today?
Boban.
Isabel.
Ma'am, Avish Boban.
Avish Boban's birthday today. So after drawing, we can wish him. Okay. I'm going to stop sharing. So we will continue next day the remaining. Okay. And all of you please stand up. Okay, we can wish Avish. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish Boban happy birthday. We're winding up today's session. Okay.
Happy birthday.
And remaining we will do next day. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next day.
Bye.
See you on Monday and happy weekend. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye.